Welcome to another Mixology Monday. This is Jordan, I'm Robbie. We got a simple, easy, awesome cocktail for you. What are we doing today, bud?
Well, we're not making it dark and stormy.
That's cool.
We're making it muddy and rainy.
Muddy and rainy, I like it. All right, well, this is a pretty easy one. Looks like we got some nice local ingredients. What's step one?
So step one, we're gonna start with some ginger ale or ginger beer, whatever you got.
Cool, we're using local ginger ale from Unknown. I'm gonna fill this glass about 2/3 of the way up. I think I need a little more.
Yeah, cracking that second one.
All right, now what?
Now we're gonna add about half an ounce of lime juice to each glass.
Oh, lime juice. All right, half an ounce of lime juice in the glass. It's always nice to use fresh squeezed lime when you can. It makes all the difference. All right, got the lime juice in the glass, and now it's rum time, right?
Rum time.
I was getting a little ahead of myself there, but we're gonna float the Queen Charlotte's Reserve on top of this. And that's what gives it the classic, not dark and stormy look. See, it sits on the top of that nicely.
Oh yeah, there you go.
That's what I'm talking about.
Looking good.
Yeah, it's like the dark, muddy, rainy clouds that are hovering over the looming awesomeness that this drink is about to become for us.
Yeah. No, I want to drink it.
God. I'm thinking of some music to go with that. Queen Charlotte is our most awarded product. It is Virgin American White Oak Barrel Aged and award-winning. Love that stuff. That's it, right? Do a little garnish and call it a day?
Yeah.
All right, there it is. Easy peasy, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website. Don't forget to come out and check us out for a tour. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for more awesome cocktail videos with all of our rums. Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
The cocktail for you. I was just thinking about Adele.
When you guzzle down rum.
Hello from the cocktail side. No,
Nah.
that sounds fun.